Good morning class. Hope you are doing well beta. As you know, in the previous video we have discussed about the line graph. Today we will discuss about the Cartesian coordinate system. Okay. So this Cartesian coordinate system was firstly invented by French mathematician named René Descartes. Okay. As you know, in your earlier classes you have learned about the pointing out a particular number on a number line. As you draw a line and the center of this line is 0, left side of this line you will write negative number and right side you will write positive number. Okay. In the same manner, if we have to represent a point with respect to two lines, then what we have to use? Then we have to use Cartesian coordinate system. So the Cartesian coordinate system is used to represent a particular line with respect to two lines. Okay. So let us discuss about the properties of Cartesian coordinate system. This is your Cartesian coordinate system. It consists of two lines which are perpendicular to each other. Look at this. This line and this line are perpendicular to each other. The horizontal line is known as x-axis. Horizontal line is known as x-axis and the vertical line is known as y-axis. Okay, and they are perpendicular to each other. As you see, there are number plotted on this line. The point at which these lines intersect is known as origin. Okay, the representation of this point is 0, 0. Okay, we will represent this point by ordered pair in which we write two numbers, one for x-axis, another for y-axis, and this whole is known as ordered pair. Ordered pair. In the same way, we have to plot points on the graph. For example, you have to point out a point 1 and 3. Okay. The first one is for x-axis and the second one is for y-axis. The first one is known as abscissa and the second one is known as ordinate. Okay. The name of x-axis point is abscissa and the name of y-axis point is ordinate. So if you have to plot this point 1 and 3 on the graph, then how can you locate this point on this graph? Look at this. This is 1 for x-axis and this is 3 for y-axis. Move vertically up to 3 and move horizontally up to 1. This particular point is known as 1, 3. This is the representation of a ordered pair on the Cartesian plane and this whole is known as Cartesian plane. Okay. Now look at this. As you see, there are negative number and there are also negative number. In a Cartesian plane, you will find negative and positive both numbers. The lines which are perpendicular to each other divide the Cartesian plane into 4 segments and these segments are known as quadrant. These segments are known as quadrant. Okay. So look at this. This is your first quadrant, this is your second quadrant, this is your third quadrant and this is your fourth quadrant. Okay. So from here we observe that in which quadrant negative number lies and positive number line, and in which quadrant negative number of x-axis will be there and negative number of y-axis will be there. Okay. So look at this. In first quadrant, if we plot any point, we will move from this and this, both are positive. So in this quadrant, x-axis and y-axis point, that means abscissa and ordinate, both are positive. Now look at the second quadrant. We have to move the negative side of x-axis and positive side of y-axis. So in this, your abscissa is negative and your ordinate is positive. In the third quadrant, both are negative. Your abscissa is also negative and your ordinate is also negative. In fourth quadrant, your abscissa will become again positive and ordinate is negative. So abscissa stand for x points and ordinates stand for y-axis points. Hope you will get it. This is the particular system that we known as Cartesian coordinate system, and this is invented by French mathematician René Descartes. And this is the way by which we can represent a particular point with respect to two lines which are perpendicular to each other. I hope you have some idea about the Cartesian coordinate planes. The question related to this we will discuss in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.